Alright, here's a little bit of my repurposing. I took an old Jeep 4-liter inline 6 valve cover, an ordinary valve cover, nothing special, and I took one of these and I turned it into a Firetruck valve cover racer. Clean it all up, paint it up, did the pinstriping, decals, Snoopy, did the engine, headers, intake, got the hose reel, the water tank, plus the ladders. Use ball valve handles for the brackets, and I also did a different style than this one too. So this one here was an engine forward design, and I made another Firetruck which was a cab over design. I used an old transformer off of an oil burner, made some stacks, again hose reel, water tank. This one here I kind of got Mickey Mouse in the cab here. Did some decals on it as well. Ladders on the top on this one. Two different designs, but out of the same exact valve cover. So this one's Snoopy. But yeah, so that's what I started with, and that's the end product right there. Just a little way to occupy my time. Keeps the brain busy. They're both unique in their own way. Oh, which ones do you guys like most? Let me know. It is fun repurposing things. Testing your imagination out.